Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the file open and the workspace ready. Make sure your Git or Live Share extension is active so link features are available. Once done, focus the exact editor tab you intend to share, then open the Explorer or hit Command Palette to surface file actions. You do this because context matters. VS Code creates links tied to the workspace and file path. Make sure to sign into any cloud or extension account now, since authentication is required before generating shareable links. Now you generate the actual link. Right-click the file or use the Editor Title menu, then pick the Copy Link command provided by LiveShare, GitHub, or your hosting extension. This produces a link tied to your chosen context. If available, specify a line range or choose permalink versus branch relative link so recipients land precisely where you want. Once you confirm options, click Copy. You must understand the difference. Permalink is immutable. Branch relative updates with changes, so choose consciously for collaboration. Paste the link into your message, pull request, or issue, and explain what you want reviewed. Short context saves time. Then verify the link opens correctly by testing it in a different browser window or asking a teammate to open it in VS Code. Make sure branch and line numbers match your intent. If it fails, check the obvious. Is the recipient signed in? Do they have access permissions? And is the extension up to date? Updating or re-authenticating usually fixes most link issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.